Join me as I dig deep and try to uncover Trump's shocking New Jersey drone secrets. Let's see what we can find. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and somewhat unsettling topic: Trump's drone secrets in New Jersey. It's a subject that's gained significant attention in recent years, and for good reason. With the rapid advancement of drone technology, concerns about privacy and surveillance have become increasingly pressing issues. So, let's dive in and see what we can uncover. The use of drones by governments and law enforcement agencies has sparked intense debates about privacy and surveillance. Many people are worried that these devices could be used to spy on citizens, invading their personal space and infringing upon their right to privacy. The lack of clear regulations and safeguards only adds to the anxiety. We've seen instances where drones have been used to monitor protests, track individuals, and even gather evidence without proper warrants. It's a Orwellian nightmare come true. In the United States, the Federal Aviation Administration has struggled to keep up with the rapid growth of the drone industry, leading to a lack of clear guidelines and oversight. This regulatory vacuum has created an environment where government agencies and private companies can operate with relative impunity. We've seen instances of drones being used for nefarious purposes, such as stalking or harassment. The potential for abuse is vast, and it's essential that we have a thorough understanding of how these devices are being used. The concerns surrounding drone surveillance are particularly pertinent in the context of government use. We've seen instances where government agencies have used drones to monitor and track individuals, often without their knowledge or consent. This raises serious questions about the balance between national security and individual privacy. As we move forward, it's crucial that we establish clear guidelines and regulations to ensure that these devices are used in a responsible and transparent manner. In New Jersey, specifically, there have been reports of drones being used by law enforcement agencies for a variety of purposes, from monitoring protests to tracking suspects. While these uses may seem justified, they raise important questions about the limits of government surveillance and the potential for abuse. We need to have a nuanced discussion about the benefits and drawbacks of drone technology, and ensure that we're not sacrificing our privacy and civil liberties in the process. So, what exactly are the drones being used for in New Jersey? According to reports, law enforcement agencies have been using drones equipped with high-resolution cameras, GPS, and even facial recognition software. These devices can be used to track individuals, monitor crowds, and gather evidence. In some cases, they've even been used to deliver supplies to emergency responders or transport medical equipment. While these uses may seem benign, they raise important questions about the potential for abuse and the need for clear guidelines. There have been several notable incidents involving drones in New Jersey that have raised eyebrows. In one instance, a drone was used to monitor a protest, sparking concerns about government surveillance and privacy. In another, a drone was used to track a suspect, leading to concerns about the use of technology in law enforcement. These incidents highlight the need for clear guidelines and regulations, as well as a nuanced discussion about the benefits and drawbacks of drone technology. One of the most surprising revelations about Trump's connection to drone operations in New Jersey is the extent to which his administration has invested in the technology. According to reports, the Department of Homeland Security has allocated millions of dollars to develop and deploy drones along the U.S.-Mexico border. While this may seem unrelated to New Jersey, it highlights the administration's commitment to using drones for surveillance and border control. The implications are far-reaching, and we need to have a thorough understanding of how these devices are being used. Another shocking revelation is the extent to which Trump's owned properties in New Jersey have been involved in drone operations. According to reports, Trump's golf course in Bedminster has been used as a testing ground for drone technology, sparking concerns about the potential for abuse and the need for transparency. This raises important questions about the intersection of politics and technology, and the potential for private interests to influence government policy. The most impactful information about Trump's connection to drone operations in New Jersey is the sheer lack of transparency and accountability. Despite repeated requests for information, the administration has refused to comment on the use of drones in the state, sparking concerns about secrecy and abuse of power. This lack of transparency raises important questions about the balance of power and the need for accountability in government. In conclusion, the topic of Trump's drone secrets in New Jersey is a complex and multifaceted one. It raises important questions about privacy, surveillance, and the intersection of technology and politics. As we move forward, it's crucial that we have a nuanced discussion about the benefits and drawbacks of drone technology, and ensure that we're not sacrificing our privacy and civil liberties in the process. Thanks for watching, and I encourage you to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you want more intriguing content, be sure to check out my other videos.